see. Is it recording? I don't even think this should record. Alright, it should be good. I think we good. But yeah, how you doing today? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I draw lips, how I go about constructing the shape of the lips, because you need to have shape language. That's the main thing you want to do, is have good shape language in lips, because sometimes shape language can define cultural differences. In this video, we won't be going over gorilla looking motherfuckers, as Colleen might say. Yes, I'm still mad at that motherfucker. But we will be going over not only black lips, like black full developed lips. I can't even say there's black lips, because I've seen white people with the same type of lips, and that's not with the collagen. I promise you, these natural lips. Some people just got them. But you can also do the paper thins. You know what I mean? See, I can't. Speaking of Colleen, looking at her lips, boy, Lord Jesus, she look like she do some. All right, I'm done. The girl look like she's strung out. That's all I'm saying. God damn. All right, so now we gonna start on actually shape. I was trying to search on Pinterest, but I don't know if y'all know on Pinterest that you can get lost in the amount of reference you can use. But my favorite artist to go to, that's another thing, is to choose a favorite artist to go to. But my favorite artist to go to, wait a minute, because she look cute and them lips look full too. But my favorite artist to go to is Gloss. Fuck. Shit. God damn it. Alright, it's there. Still there, y'all. We good. I'm trying to save all of these because I like those lips. Not her playing the fucking stand. But see, this is what I mean by you get fucking wrapped up in the wrong thing, bro. Let me see. I like her lips too, though. Her facial structure is pretty as well. I'm gonna stick with what I got right here. You feel me? I'm gonna stick with what I got, because my ass is I tend to do extra shit, so we just gonna stick with this. What I can do, can I? Alright, can I, baby? I'm not even gonna do that. I should download the image. You see what I mean? But like, I shouldn't even be focused on this right now. But construction. I'm trying to open up the link. That's what it is. Let me see. But it's not a link. Copy link. Yeah, I can't. Damn. How about this? I'm a screenshot. This is some shit that y'all learning as we go, because I don't even know if this is gonna work. But screenshot. Go to share. You can copy the image. Done. Copy and delete, and it's able to paste. As you can see, it's able to paste. So paste to shown position. Allow paste. And bong, this is what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted, y'all. So this is what I mean by what I wanted. I don't want to close it, but I'm gonna just close that. Yeah, I'm gonna close that. So facial structure is pretty, but I'm really here for the lips, right? So I got a new brush that I've been liking a lot, actually, and it's not in my iPad, and I hate that. I hate that right now. But ain't that some bullshit? Well, I'm gonna go to my other one that I like a lot. I like it a lot. But yeah, we can use this as shape language. You feel me? Use this as shape language. Let me see. Is that no? Oh no. Don't tell me I gotta. What the fuck is that? I don't know what that is. Well, let's hope that it's not recording that. Let me stop the matter of fact. Alright, so yeah. Y'all just got that little bug in my camera. And we're not gonna edit that out, because I ain't got the technology to be able to do all of that shit. So we just gonna keep going. Alright? We're gonna act like nothing happened. Happy little mistakes on some Bob Ross shit. We're gonna keep going. Okay? So bing bong boom. I like to personally start off with like either the color blue when it comes to outlining the sketch. I outline the sketch to give it this shape, and I personally like to do full lips like these from time to time on characters, because it gives it more character, to be honest with you. Paper thin lips, you can only do so much with those from time to time. I'm sure that people can't go into detail. That's why a lot of it's kind of like a shorthand for a lot of animators to give people like just straight up lines, like a line like that or a line like that, maybe a mouth like that, you know what I mean, with teeth. They like barely do the tongue. It's like they barely do any of that, right? But in this one, we gonna take our time, because if you're following this page, you more than likely are an illustrator, right? So this is what we gonna do. I think that the main thing is you wanna showcase the fullness. Like you can even put the crinkle in the lips, you know what I mean? Make it more realistic. Don't make them look cracky. You know what I mean? Don't make them look a crackhead or a bum bump. You don't want them to do that. I like stars. I'm not gonna hold you. That's my new thing. I've been doing a lot of stars lately on characters' faces. It just feels right. I don't know. It looks cute. I've seen women like grown and all do this shit. They put big ass stars on their face, and I'm sure every woman still wants to be that little girl at heart. You know what I mean? They want to be, as they call it, princess treatment. But yeah, I've been falling in love with just making stars on women's faces and in their eyes too. I haven't gotten eye style just correct yet, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. I got the eyebrows though. I've always liked bushy eyebrows. People like that signature style for me, the bushy eyebrow effect. But this is just to add more to the lips, you know what I mean? So with that being said, we're gonna make these indentations for the nose. I'm sorry for earlier. I didn't mean to call Colleen a meth head. It's just that sometimes her lips can be ashy, and I don't know about you, but she out here looking like the Philippine Ashy Larry, you know what I mean? So it's like ain't nothing cool about that, bruh. Like ain't nothing cool about that, but it's cool, you know, it's cool. Let me see. All right, so another thing I do, and mind you, this is inside the app Clip Studio Paint, but another thing I do is I use liquify a lot. So I'll play around with the size of the liquify tool sometimes, you know what I mean? And I'll just play around with the lips. Like that looks actually perfect. I'm not surprised I just did that. That actually looks better compared to what it was, because even I need help from time to time on perspective. But you know, needless to say, I think that I got it. So I'm just not realizing that it doesn't really show up as much, and I'm kind of tight about that. So what we're gonna do is tonal, hue, saturation, and knock that bad boy down. Yes, all the way down. Yeah. So that's way better. I like to start with blue though. I'm not gonna hold you because it's just, I can see it a little bit differently. But as I'm recording, I don't see it at all. Y'all be all right. But you know, you win some, you lose some, son. But you live to fight another day. The main thing with this, what I'm doing right now, is just trying to skate around the fact that I got to do the lips. I'm not gonna hold you, y'all. I'm a big procrastinator. Even making these videos, I've been procrastinating. It's a part of my problem. I cleaned up my whole room today before I started drawing this and making this video, because it's like, I don't know. I feel as though making YouTube videos can be fucking exhausting. Well, not actually recording, but the editing is just such a tedious task. But I'm trying to look at it in a different light. You know what I mean? It's kind of like going to your work, going to your job. It's a tedious task, but you still got to do it. You know what I mean? Get it done. But I'm gonna do better with uploads. I promise you. I got a plan of what I want to do and how I want to execute it. So give me some grace. See, I don't like where this nose is going, because even I have issues with perfectionism sometimes, but I like how it's outlined right now. So since it's outlined, I don't have to do too much more. That being said, I can move on to colors. Right now, mind you, this brush that I got is from an artist named Loki Gun. If you're asking me for this brush in the comment section, I'm letting you know right now, I don't have it. I have it, but I don't have it to give, because this brush is from Loki Gun, and I did my little tweaks or whatnot, but it's mainly his brush. Find Loki Gun Art on either YouTube, I think he's on Twitter, and on Twitch. He just gave it to me, and I was like, nah. You're not gonna just give me something for free 99. And I fuck with you, and I fuck with your art, and you just giving it to me for free 99. See, some of y'all niggas is just built different, so y'all just take shit, you know what I mean? But me, I have some type of like shame and ego and pride. You're not gonna just give me something for free. Work for that shit. Nah, but I'm being facetious if you didn't know. But yeah, I definitely did subscribe, and gave him like a subscriber because he was a dope artist, man. He just gave that shit to me. I'm like, bruh, you ain't even had to do that. He gave me some tips too. It's like, you ain't even had to do that. Those type of artists, man, I pray nothing but abundance. I pray nothing but greatness. I pray nothing but fucking commissions on commissions on commissions that they actually love doing. You know what I mean? But let's get back to this pic, because that's what we need to be focusing on. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Can I paste it again? I can. Ayy. So the other image that I had, it's kind of, let's do her skin first, right? So what I do with skin is, well, with this one, I'm gonna just make it easier on us. Well, I could use the Donnie Don't. Now, Donnie Don't is a brush that's specifically from an artist named Gloss. You have to pay for that too. So go ahead and look them up. Gloss Art. Go ahead and look them up. And it's a Donnie Don't brush. Okay. I like it. I like it a lot. I need to make it bigger though. Yeah, that's better. Oh shit, I'm coloring on top. My ass. Let me see. Make this the reference. So I make the reference on top as far as the line art. That's the reference layer underneath it, or you could put it on top, but I like to do it underneath the picture. All right. So you see where it's going, right? Yeah, obviously get it. Now I'm gonna do a couple of methods, but this is just a more of a cultural, for me, natural lips, natural full lips, the full plump lips. I'm gonna just keep it safe because I am a not safe for work artist, and I'm gonna keep it safe for YouTube because YouTube is looking over my shoulder. My mind's playing tricks on me. People around the corner. All right, so I could do that. So the thing about this brush, right? It's supposed to be a good blender, but I think I found something that's a little bit better, actually, surprisingly. Can I use this as a, I'm about to try to import the Donnie Don't brush. I thought that I do. All right, cool. All right, we good. It scared me for a minute. I'm like, wait a minute, I ain't got it. Wait a minute, so it's not even, it's coloring still though. That's stupid. All right, with that being said, let's do another effect. And all right, I've seen people like Asia Barbie try something similar to this. I'm painting everything but the lips, y'all. Give me a minute. Give me 1 minute. I'm painting everything but the goddamn lips. I'm trying to make the face look somewhat decent though, you know what I mean? That'd be my main issue, is make the face look somewhat decent. Alright, with that being said, let's start coloring, y'all. Did all that for nothing, because at the end of the day, the lips is gonna be a different way. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna play around with this new brush, right? Because I haven't really used it to color, but I'm gonna play around with it and see how I like it. Yeah. Alright, so usually the bottom lip, I've seen sometimes the top lip, but it's mainly for like a style type of thing. But usually the bottom lip is usually the darker color. Every now and then you'll see a top lip that's a darker color. It's not all the time. It's more likely that the top lip is the lighter color. All right. With this brush, I don't like the density, so I'm gonna change it. I want it a little bit lighter. That's better, way better. And I mean, it adds a little bit by being a little bit dense, less dense. See, now I can play with the hues. Sometimes you gotta play with the brush, y'all. You gotta play with the brush, because if you don't, it's gonna look weird, because people will know what you're trying to go for, but you won't actually achieve it if you don't play around. And sometimes when you play around, you might end up at a dead end. But what I said before about the happy little accidents, at least you know now that that's a dead end. I'm preaching to y'all, but I'm really preaching to myself, because I am bad at acknowledging the fact that I need to do another layer. Acknowledging the fact that I need to practice what I preach when it comes to not being scared and actually, knocking some shit out. Alright, so I'm gonna play around with an effect that I recently seen. And once again by Gloss, which is funny, but he plays around with lights. He plays around with he plays around with lights. He plays around with different aspects that you wouldn't think, like perspective, shape, language. He has a good grasp on all of those things. All right, I don't know what I was doing right there, but I need to look realistic. Gotta have a realistic type of view. So I got a whole picture here and I'm not using it. That'd be my problem too. I'd be trying to do it myself, making it harder for myself. Even when I got a picture in front of me, that should be crazy. Making it harder for myself, even when I got a picture in front of me. That should be crazy. But as you can see, I'm playing around with the lights and the highlighting. I should be doing this last, but I like to play around to see if I can shortcut the process. And I can't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play around with these lips until we fully like them. Like really, really like them. A lot. I like it a lot. Like them a lot. Oh wait a minute, this is Donnie Do though. Let me see. I'm gonna turn on that density a little bit more, because it's not as full as I would have liked it to be. I feel like I'm gonna just keep doing this, and that'd be my problem too. Like I like flat colors. You know what I mean? That's be my main style, is I like flat colors, right? But from time to time I be wanting to do a little, you know, razzle dazzle, a little sprinkle. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna paint over it. And also what you can do is do exactly what I'm doing right here. Make it a little bit dark, not all the way black or blue in my case, but close to in between. Make the line mark a little bit lighter, a little bit smaller, and start coloring. Color in the line art. You know what I mean? If you can color in the line art and make it believable, you can achieve a certain style, as I would like to call the gloss effect. Excuse me. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock, excuse me. But you gotta play around with things, you know what I mean? You definitely gotta play around with things. Oh, fuck that. This is a death of me too. Is being on the wrong layer. This will be the death of me. There we go. Because I don't name my layers, and people that do are like gifted. Like they need to go to the school of first thing that popped in my head was school of imaginary friends. But no, they just need to go to somewhere where they can get their brains checked. Cause listen, me worry about a motherfucking layer? Shit. Bullshit. Actually, this character, like this woman actually has a darker lip up top, like a darker undertone up top, hence, and it's like slightly, but it's definitely like a little bit purple lip. I'm gonna make that blend in a little bit more. All right, and this is what I mean by just having so many layers that it'll kill me. A bit of death me, because when I'm doing that, right, it's all of these fucking layers, dog, and that shit it just make me want to just give up sometimes, dog. It do. Even me, I've thought about just what am I doing this art thing for, you know what I mean? Because I don't want to be in the cool kid crowd. I don't care for that. I just want to make my money and dip on the side, you know what I mean? Like just do what I can with this art shit, inspire the people that I can, and get the fuck on, you know what I mean? I like the lip, I like the difference and all of that good stuff, but all right, so now I'm gonna just play around with what feels right, because I got the baseline down, right? But like gloss, which I feel that he's played around so much that now he's kind of like strategic and surgical, I'm gonna just keep playing, you know what I mean? I'm gonna keep playing, and whatever it just feels right, like these stars right here feel right, so I'm gonna make them on the face. It just feel right? It just feel right. All right, with that being said, let's merge these bad boys down. That's the line art. So, oh, maybe I need to keep it on top. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it on top. I think I need to keep it. Let me go back. Yeah, so I'm gonna just keep it like that for right now. All right, let me just make this a little bit bigger, y'all. No, I'm gonna keep it at this is, because I can play around with it a little bit more and just zoom in. I've been willing to trust someone, and I've been willing to trust someone. Don't believe that. Alright, so I'm basically finished. I'm just basically adding the tones. Let me see, because I'm still stuck on you. Situation. Trying to find out what looks good with that color, like both the dark color and the light color. Alright, I'm gonna leave it like that. And that's how I draw some juicy lips. That's how I draw some cultural appropriated lips. I can work on this a little bit more, but right now we're gonna stop right there, because this is really about the lips. Alright, yeah, I think I'm gonna be done. I like it though. I like it. I like that. Well, with that being said, y'all, I'm gonna end it right there, because if I don't, I'ma not be able to go to sleep. I need to get some rest, y'all. I'm not gonna hold you, because if I don't, I'm gonna be mad at myself. Felt myself falling asleep a little bit even while I was drawing this. With that being said, y'all be good. Have a blessed day. All that good stuff. If you're celebrating Christmas, enjoy it. Be safe. And Circle of Pharaohs, we out, man.